Peter Obi's star witness from the north disgraces Tinubu and Inec in court. See the full video. Hello people, welcome back once again to this particular channel. Today I'm going to be exposing and revealing how Peter Obi's star witness from the north actually disgraced Inec and Tinubu's lawyers in the tribunal that is actually ongoing. I must tell you for the fact that Peter Obi is really prepared, and he is the candidate that has been accepted across the nation, from the north, from the south, from the west, and from the east. People should stop listening to all these tribal and religious sentiments that APC and PDP are trying to use to tarnish the image and personality of Mr. Peter Obi. He is actually loved from far and wide. I must tell you for the fact that is why he had to get the largest number of votes in Abuja. He got the largest number of votes from Nasarawa, and a whole lot of call North Central and all that, to show you that he's not a regional candidate, neither is he a religious candidate. Rather, he's someone that is being accepted by everyone. Okay, today I will show you the court session of one of his star witness who is from the north, and the name of this person is Tanko Yunasa. And this particular star witness was really cross-examined by Inec and the APC lawyers. But at the end of the day, this man defeated them. Well, without wasting your time, let us see how this particular star witness from the north actually disgraced Inec and the APC in tribunal, and how the questions he was asked, and how he exposed all the secrets and everything that Inec and APC has been doing. Well, if this is your first time of visiting this channel, don't fail to subscribe and equally click on the notification button. Well, let's go straight to the point. Well, the first step why this particular star witness was called being Tanko, he was reminded of his oath being Tanko. Before you're standing as a star witness, you must take an oath before the court. So he was reminded of his oath. Then Inec lawyer, being Kemi Pinheiro, asked him where he was on February 25th, 2023. Then Tanko responded that he was in Gawaki in Abuja, where he voted in polling unit 4, after which he went to the Labour Party situation room and wasn't physically present anywhere else. Now, his designation is, this particular man is the spokesman of the Presidential Campaign Council of P2B, as well as the National Director Media of Labour Party, being this Tanko Yunosa. Now, the cross-examination started. Well, before it started, this Inec lawyer, was asked if this particular man, being Tanko, in any case, has involved in any case with Inec. Then he looks, this Inec lawyer looks at the documents and affirmed that he was, this Tanko Yunosa has been involved in a certain case against Inec, and this particular Kemi Pinheiro, being son, showed the court the documents of the case that this particular man, being the star witness of P2B, Tanko Yunosa, was involved in, Then Dr. Livy Uzuku, who is the Labour Party lead counsel, objected to the tendering of this particular document that Inec wanted to tender. Well, let's go to the cross-examination properly. The first respondent, being Inec, started examining and cross-examining this particular man. Now, the first question, this particular cross-examiner, being Inec, asked our star witness, being Tanko Yunosa, he asked him, where were you on the election day? Then our witness, being Tanko, answered, I voted at my polling unit 4, Dawaki in Abuja. After voting, I moved to Asokoro situation room of the Labour Party. Then I came back to the polling unit to witness the counting and collation of results before going back. Now, Inec responded, went further to say, will I be correct to say that apart from your polling unit and situation room, you were not physically anywhere else on that day? Yes, I was not physically anywhere else apart from the polling unit and situation room. Now, Inec respondent, being an Inec lawyer, went further to say, what is your designation in Labour Party? Now, the witness said, I am the chief spokesman of the National Campaign Council, as well as National Director in Media of Labour Party. Now, the cross-examiner, being the Inec, went further to say, it is correct to say that you were not a polling agent or collation agent for your party in any designation collation center. Tanko, being the witness, said, no, except for my polling unit. Then Inec went further to say, you confirmed to the court that your party filed several suits before the election. The witness said yes. Now, Inec later went further to say, have a look of the certified true copy of the Federal High Court judgment and confirm if it is one of the suits filed by Labour Party. Now, Tanko confirmed the certified true copy of the Federal High Court judgment and said, yes, it is. Inec lawyer went further to say, I seek to tender the certified true copy of the judgment delivered on 23rd January of 2023. Now, Labour Party, I object. Labour Party counsel, being Livy Uzuku, said, I object to the tendering of this document and will give reasons in final address. Now, APC and Tinubu's lawyers did not object to the tendering of this document because since it's one of them, like I've told you guys that INEC and Tinubu and APC are working together. The APC, the lawyers representing the APC and Tinubu did not object to the tendering of this particular document. Well, the cross-examination still went further to say, we will also respond appropriately to the objection, that is the objection of the Labour Party when written address is filed. Now, the court admitted this particular document that INEC filed, then tagged it as an exhibit and as an evidence. Now, the INEC lawyer went further to say, please show him the exhibit and read the declaration your party sought. Now, the witness read, being Tanko read, declaration your party doesn't have the power to move from manual to electronic. Also reads judgment of the Federal High Court, which summarily says INEC is at liberty to decide the way or manner to collate results, whether manual or electronic. So the case was actually dismissed. Now, INEC lawyer said, confirm if your party appealed that judgment. I am not aware, Tanko said. Now, INEC lawyer went further to say, please pull up the PCE1 polling unit of 48, Ward 7 and local government 2 of the FCT. We also confirm polling unit 70, Ward 7 and local government 2 of FCT. Please show them to him. Witness from those two forms. Please tell the court the score in each of Labour Party. Now, the witness being Tanko, because this INEC lawyer wants Tanko to state the score of Labour Party in some of the words that he wanted him to say. Now, witness being Tanko, with smart move said, I cannot see the results and his blood. Now, INEC lawyer, calls him short. Can you see? Labour Party, the council, objected, said his answer should be recorded and not shut him down. INEC lawyer went further to say, I suggest to you that Labour Party result in that polling unit is 204. Witness being Tanko said, I cannot see as it was mutilated. INEC lawyer was so infuriated and angry, and he went further to say, the second polling unit, do you see Labour Party score as 59? Do you see Labour Party score as 59 and APC 6 votes? The witness, Tanko, brilliantly said, they are mutilated and blood. Then INEC lawyer was so angry and went further to say, do you suggest they are mutilated or blood? The witness, being Tanko, said, they are mutilated and blood. Now, INEC lawyer said, do you suggest that they are mutilated and blood? Then the witness said, they are mutilated and blood again. INEC lawyer was so angry and he went further to say, your witness deposition in the entirety of 105 paragraph of this disposition confirmed to this court that you have not stated figures as unlawful votes. Now, the witness said, seemingly no. INEC lawyer went further to say, look at paragraph 9 of your deposition. You talked about party agents, confirmed that you had party agents all through the polling units in the country. Now, Tanko, said that we had 133,000 agents, party agents across the polling units in the country. Now, INEC went further to ask him, how many polling units in the entire country? Witness, Tanko said, I can't remember. Then INEC lawyer now sat and said, that's all. So he has finished his own cross-examination. Now, the second and third respondent is Bola Tinubu and Shetima's lawyer. Now Bola Tinubu and Shetima's lawyer started their cross-examination with a question. They said, we had 176,974 polling units. Do you agree? Now, Labour Party witness, being the Tanko, said yes. Now, the Tinubu's lawyers went further to ask, out of that polling unit, your party had just 133,000 agents. The witness said yes. Now, Tinubu's lawyer went further to say, tell my lord when you joined Labour Party. The witness said, I joined Labour Party in 28th May 2022. Now, Tinubu and Shetima's lawyer said, you joined the Labour Party before Peter Obi. The witness said yes. Now, second and third, Tinubu and Shetima's lawyer said, the primary election of Labour Party held on 30th May 2022. The witness, being Tanko, said yes. Tinubu's lawyer went further to say, you have the official results as announced by INEC in paragraph 18 of your statement. The witness said, yes, these are the results that we are allocated. These were the results that were allocated. He did not confirm that they were authentic results. That is why I told you that this witness is a very smart one. He said, these are the results that were allocated. Tinubu and APC lawyers, Tinubu and Shetima's lawyer said, in the allocation, your party came third. In the allocation, your party came third. The witness said, yes. Remember, the witness did not say that these were the authentic results. He said they were allocated. So the Tinubu and Shetima lawyer said, in the allocation of votes of the votes, your party came third. The witness said, yes, my lord. Now, Tinubu's lawyer went further to ask, in that PDP and their candidate Haji Atiku came second. The witness said yes. Now, Tinubu's lawyer went further to say, you voted in Abuja and your party won in your polling unit. The witness said yes. Now, a Tinubu's lawyer went further to say the figure given to you at your polling unit, you want the court to void it. The witness said no. Now, Tinubu and APC lawyer went further to say, in overall results, your party won in all 5 eastern states and 7 other states in Nigeria. Is that right? The witness said yes. Now, Tinubu's lawyer went further to ask, do you know P2B state? The witness said, of course, yes, Anambra. Tinubu's lawyer went further to ask, P2B scored 95.07% in the elections there. Witness said, I have not seen it. Tinubu lawyer went further to say, is in your statement? The witness said yes. Then Tinubu lawyer went further to say, in the circumstance you are not satisfied and want the votes voided. The witness said, the results are not uploaded. How do we know what we scored? Then Tinubu lawyer said, where do you live? Witness answered, Dawaki in Abuja. Now, the Tinubu lawyer went further to say, what generator do you use? The witness said, I passed my neighbor generator. Court started laughing. The witness said, it's a small generator. APC Tinubu lawyer went further to say, you bought it as a result of the constant power outage. The witness said yes. Now, Tinubu lawyer went further to say, you have a phone. The witness said yes. Tinubu lawyer said, sometimes phone calls don't go through because of network, right? The witness said yes, seemingly so. Now, Tinubu lawyer went further to say, in paragraph 100, you stated that you can identify results obtained from IREV forms and other forms. So you that a lot of unlawful votes were allocated to. The second responded. Then the witness said, our experts presented evidence in that regard. Now, Tinubu lawyer said, do you know what your expert presented? That's been the Chibioke that came the other day, one of our star witnesses that came the other day. Now, Tinubu lawyer went further to say, do you know what your expert presented? Tanko, being the witness, said, I was not in court because I was a witness, so I don't know. Then Tinubu lawyer went further to say, relief 2 in 103, you want the petition as declared because the votes scored by the second respondent are wasted votes. So please tell the court how. The witness said those were ascertained by the experts, being at the Labour Party star witness that they brought before. Now, Tinubu lawyer went further to say, will you tell my lord what you want the court to do with the votes of the person who came second? The witness said, we already said we want our candidate, being to be declared. Then Tinubu lawyer said, please show the court where you mentioned the second respondent anywhere in your statement. Then the witness said, we challenge the results of the election entirely, and it affects the results of Atiku Abubakar. Now, Tinubu lawyer said, so you want the court to cancel the votes of Labour Party? The witness said, if the results were made on IREV, that won't be the case. Then Tinubu lawyer went further to say, you want the first petitioner declared winner because he scored the highest number of valid votes. Can you tell us the results? The witness said, our experts gave a report, which is not me. Then the court said something. Do you know? The witness said, no, I don't, because the experts already know. Now, APC lawyer said something. That's Tinubu's lawyer said something. Thank you and good evening. That was the end of the cross-examination by Tinubu and Shitima's lawyer. Now, the next person is APC lawyer. That's the fourth respondent. Now, the fourth respondent started and continued from where the third stopped. The fourth respondent, being APC lawyer, said, the report of your expert, being Chibike Iboke, is the final report. The witness, being Tanko, said yes. Then the APC lawyer said, I put it to you that in giving your deposition, you considered all the documents you mentioned, including the expert deposition. The witness said, yes, except the expert dispositions. Now, the fourth respondent, being the APC lawyer, said, all the exhibits you came to identify yesterday, you didn't ascertain the content of the envelopes in the boxes. The witness said, I didn't open all of them that yesterday. Then APC lawyer said, as the chief press secretary, you received information from Inec from time to time. The witness said, all direct information came through the national chairman or secretary. Then Inec APC lawyer said, you are aware that on 23rd of February, Inec said that they will not upload results electronically. The witness said, no, I'm not aware of the statement Inec chairman and Okoye. I'm not aware of the statements Inec chairman and Okoye made. Then the APC lawyer said, can I have SBIT? That is the evidence, SB PCQ. Those are receipts obtained from the CTC, that's the certified true copies of some INEC documents tendered here. The witness said yes. Now the APC lawyer said, please confirm that some of the documents of these receipts you obtained on the 6th of April, 31st of March, 1st of April, 4th of April, 5th of April, and 25th of April 2023. The witness, confirmed it. Now the APC lawyer said something that you mentioned. You also relied on the documents you mentioned in 102 of your deposition. The witness said yes. Now, the APC lawyer said the documents mentioned in items paragraph 102 of LMNO, we are not tendered as well as the page 33. Now, the witness said it is because of time we are not able to tender those documents. Now, APC lawyer went further to say you also rely on the evidence of forensic experts. The witness said yes. Then APC lawyer said your deposition was made on March 20th, and relying on that, do you obtain in April? Are you aware that the final results of your expert was in May 2023, but you deposed in March 2023? The witness said, yes, I'm aware. APC lawyer said, you agree that the issue which you brought to the court is about transmission and violence. The witness said, we have two grants, which is on double nomination and others. Now, the APC lawyer said, on double nomination, look at the judgment against PDP delivered on 26 May 2023. The witness said, yes, I seek to tender it. Now, I seek to tender it. Court admitted the document that this particular APC lawyer tendered, but it was actually objected and rejected by the Labour Party lead counsel. Now, this fourth being APC lawyer said, you know that by the judgment, the issue of double nomination has been settled. The witness being Tanko said no, and that ended the cross-examination of this particular star witness of P2B being Tanko. So that is what really happened, and how this star witness actually gave a wonderful and a very lovely reply to some of the questions that APC and Tinubu's lawyer asked him on that very day. Well, I believe it's just a matter of time